Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have XIAOMI 40 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your games or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. If you have the same situation as mine, you search your game but you don't have it, you must go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. Now we have page 3. To visible game as Mobile Legends games or something like this, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. OK. And there we tap on page 16, confirm by uninstalled and save. Or we can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all. You can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.